Let's create a dual blend watercolor background with masked lettering on top. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a beautiful two-tone gradient background on your watercolor cards. This technique blends two colors seamlessly to achieve a smooth blended look. I'll list the materials in the description below. Let's dive in.
Step 1. Prepare your materials. Choose two colors for your dual blend background. In this project, we will use yellow and green. Gather your watercolor paint, paintbrush, and tissue paper. Step 2. Brush in your first color. Add clean water to your watercolor pan and mix it with the yellow paint until you achieve a nice consistency. Begin painting from the top of your watercolor cards, brushing down to just over halfway. As you brush, the words of the card will start to appear. Step 3. Brush in your second color. Clean your paintbrush thoroughly. Add clean water to the green watercolor pan and mix to get a smooth consistency. Continue painting from the bottom of the card upwards to meet the yellow paint, overlapping the colors slightly. Step 4. Clean your paintbrush again, removing excess water by dabbing it on tissue paper. Brush over the area where the yellow and green colors meet to blend them smoothly. Avoid using too much water to prevent it from seeping under the masked lettering. Step 5. Tilt your card to blend. Tilt your card to let the inks flow and blend naturally. There you go. A simple and easy way to create a nice two-color gradient background. Now, let's try blending two colors by overlapping our brush strokes. Start with the first color, purple, and paint over the entire lettering until it is revealed. Add the second color, blue, but instead of painting over the entire card, use an S motion or create gaps where the first color shows through. If the colors blend too much, reapply the first color in small sections and let it dry. Can experiment with different color combinations as shown in the next fast-forwarded clips.
Are you ready to experience the joy of creating with these watercolor cards? Check out the links in the description for your very own set of 16 beautifully lettered masked cards. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more inspiring tutorials. I can't wait to see your interpretations, so make sure to tag me at nicong.co on social media. I love sharing your amazing creations. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll be right there to guide you through. Thanks again for joining me on this tutorial, and stay tuned for more inspiring tutorials ahead.